Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna go to the Ben and Jerry. That shit keeps fucking me up. They talking.
Train stores do not retract. Atención, las puertas del tren no retroceden. Evita entrar o salir luego de la señal. Attention.
Oh my god. How many times they go straight? It's already recorded. This is crazy. Okay. Golly.
Face, let's hold on tight.
Avoid entrance or exit after the signal. Train stores do not retract.
Alright guys, today we're going to the Ben and Jerry's store here in Puerto Rico. It's literally right here when you get off the train in Torrimar. I believe that's how you say it. Ben and Jerry's Cafe Galleria. So we're gonna go in here and try out some ice cream and see how it go. That's ridiculous. Good. Alright guys, so we just indulged in some delicious Ben and Jerry's ice cream. We taking a stroll right now to walk it off. We're out here in Torrimar, which is part of the Guaynabo area or municipality. I think that's how you say it. I'm just trying to get my words right. But we're just gonna explore this little park right here that we saw right next to the train station. Everything's right next to the train station, it seems like the parks, the little shops, everything's right there. Well, not everything, but enough stuff to keep you busy. So let me show you guys this little park we found. Yeah. They said that other park that was closed. So out here at this park, it looks like it's a huge sportsplex. Like it's like 4 or 5 different basketball courts up there. People playing basketball. There's a track over here. Soccer field back there in the middle of the track. People working out, people running, people exercising, playing basketball. There's a playground for children. It's a bunch of stuff at this park here. So we will be here a lot more. You'll see us here a lot more. And yeah, it's really nice.